Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on my Sierra Cosworth. In today's video we're going to make some progress on this. We've got to get it scrubbed up. It's absolutely filth. It definitely needs a bit of love. As you can see, pure dust everywhere. So yeah, we've got to get this scrubbed up. I've got to get it sorted. It's time to get it sold, get it finished. I've really got to get cracking. I've got loads of things changing, loads of things happening. My other business is gone now and I'm going to start taking jobs on. And I've already got a full diary and I'm 2 months away from that. I'm giving myself a couple of months. We need to get the Renault busted out. Got to pull my finger out, get this done, and yeah, I want to finish the cozzy, get that sorted in the coming weeks. I've got a few jobs on next week that I booked and didn't think about it properly, but yeah, I'm going to do them as well. And I bought Fiesta Turbo, which is coming soon, and yeah, just random stuff, just normal life really. So yeah, now I've got to turn this into some wages and start cracking out some work lively. I'm not saying I won't have no more projects. I will. I've just bought another one, but we're going to try and do things. I'm only taking jobs on like non-resto jobs, crack them out quick, normal paintwork, and then I'll fit the other stuff in between. So things are changing for the better, hopefully. Still not moved out of this dive hole, but we'll get there. Something to come up eventually. Still looking every single day. But yeah, positive news really. We're going to crack on. I'll show you this Fiesta Turbo when it turns up tomorrow, and no doubt there'll be a few videos on that. We're going to get the cozzy buttoned up. That's going up for sale. It's really panned out quite well really, because of the money has gone right up now. Before I would have been happy with 20 grand, but now nah. I've seen dogs going up for nearly 30 grand, and mine is rust free, mint, paint's mint, interior's been done, there's no rust underneath, engine's all been done, cam belt serviced, everything. So mine will make 25 piece of cake I reckon. So yeah, it's panned out all right in the end. Right, that's enough waffling. Let's get this thing scrubbed up and get it looking. I may as well talk you through what I've done and why. Yes, you did see me snow foam this twice. For you non-detailing folk, I'll explain the logic and the reasoning behind it. I snow foamed it to let it remove most of the dust and particles of soot that was on it. and then I jet washed it off. So I didn't touch it with a sponge, I didn't make physical contact with it. It's called a non-contact wash as such. I'm using Built Hamber's auto foam today. It's got good cleaning power. So I snow foamed it once, let it settle. It pulled most of the bigger debris off of the car, dust particles and what have you. I jet washed it off and then re-snow foamed it again. Now the reason I've done that is this is brand new paint and I don't want to induce any unwanted scratches, swirls or marring to this paintwork if I don't have to, and it had a hell of a lot of dust where it's sat for months in the workshop. So I've done it again, let it dwell for 5-10 minutes, and then I jet washed all that off, and then now technically there's no dust and debris on that car and it's now safe for me to wash correctly. You just see me do the under the engine bay. I'm not going to advise you go and do that, that's at your own risk. I've been doing it for years and years, it's how I always do it. And what you saw me doing after I'd cleaned the engine bay is I went and sprayed some dressing on it basically. It's Autoglim's trade dressing that I use. You spray it on wet, when it dries it's a pucker sheen. You can, I mean, you can blow it off with a hoover if you're, not hoover, sorry. If you've got like one of them blowers, hot air blowers, you can blow it off with that or an airline and it sinks into all the crevices and gives it a nice sort of sheen. If you've done it too glossy you can buff it back. But that hasn't been cleaned since I've owned it. So the engine bay is all clean, the outside of the vehicle is ready to be cleaned, but I'm just going to let this rain, shower, cloud, whatever it may be, do its thing for a little bit, and then hopefully if it breaks then I'll come back out and give it a scrub. If not, I'm going out there and I'm going to get wet. Oh, and there's my little van. I haven't actually showed it since I put all the bits on. The van looks well, to be honest. Looks alright. Right, I'll see you in a bit, hopefully, when this rain calms down. There we go. As you can see, the rain has not stopped. So I just got soaked. It's all cleaned, and the last thing that I put on it, you'll see me using two cloths for washing it, wash mitts, sorry. I have one for a lower half and one for the top half. Try not to mix them about. You don't want to pick up dirt from the bottom and then rub it around the top. So that's why you use two. So I washed it all, rinsed it off, and then you see me put something over it with a spray bottle. That snow foam bottle has got top gloss in it, which is like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a bit of a coating that helps bead up and keep your motor cleaner and glossier for a bit longer. There she is, all done. She's run up to temperature now. It's not going to stop raining, so I'm going to have to try and get it in and lever it off. And the wheels can wait. I'm not going to scrub them. We'll wash them next time. It's far too wet for that. Yeah, looking a million times better. Sort of scarpering my plans a little bit, what I need to get done today. This weather's not looking very nice. But yeah, let's see what we can crack on. Here we go, guys. We cleaned up well. First time I've ever cleaned it. I've still got some overspray and stuff to remove from when we bought it that had that on it, if you remember back in the first videos, and still around some of the window rubbers we've got to pick some off, but in general looking quite nice. Come up well. I'm happy with that. Right, let's try and get this dry and get it in. There we go, guys, that is it from me. The weather is horrendous. I'm trying to dry out. The car's away. We waited till it broke a little bit. I managed to dry it down. I put the car away because I just don't want it to sit there, loads of water spots and what have you. So we're going to get on that next week. A few things to do, like I said, a couple of jobs to do, and we've got a new toy coming tomorrow, and no doubt I'll do a video and show you guys that. And yeah, as always, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.